going into the car wash, Gio.
Huh? What's that?
We're just in the car wash.
Yeah.
Yeah, do you see all, look at, we're gonna get a little bit of soap on the car. Ooh.
Ooh. Wow.
Cool, huh?
Whoa.
The car's getting a bath.
More flowers.
Yep, and then it's gonna get water on the car once it gets it all soapy.
I know. More flowers.
Yeah.
In the corner.
Are you ready for the water to come?
Yeah. Huh? What was it?
Do you like the car wash?
Yeah.
Good. Oh, here comes the water. Wow, cool.
Oh, no.
You don't like the water part?
Yeah.
It's okay. It's just cleaning it off like the bathtub.
Yeah.
It's like the shower. It's okay. It's just the shower.
Huh?
Yeah, it's like the shower. It's okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. See, all done. All we had to do was get a little water. Yeah. Oh, it's almost done. It's okay. It's okay. The water's all done. Yay!
Yay!
Now it's just sprinkle water. Just a soft, gentle. It's not loud. Oh, yay! All done. All done. Yay! Now we're going to go through the air. Ooh. Say bye-bye, car wash.